Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Caledonia, Ontario, is a charming community located along the Grand River, rich with history and scenic beauty. One of the town's most iconic landmarks is the Caledonia Bridge, a stunning rainbow arch structure that spans the river. This bridge not only offers excellent views but is also known for its architectural significance and integrity, having retained its original design since construction. For history enthusiasts, the Edinburgh Square Heritage and Cultural Centre provides a glimpse into the town's past. Originally built in 1857 as a town hall and jail, it now operates as a museum with rotating exhibits and insights into local heritage. Another notable spot is the Grand Trunk Railway Station, a historic depot that has become a tourist attraction, showcasing railway artifacts and hosting events throughout the year. Nature lovers can enjoy the Kinsman Park, which follows the Grand River and offers walking trails, picnic spots, and playgrounds. This park is a great place to relax or enjoy outdoor activities like jogging and cycling while taking in scenic river views. These highlights make Caledonia a delightful destination with a mix of natural beauty, historical sites, and cultural attractions.
watching!